Hello humans, I'm El. I finally did something about my camera gear. Not gonna lie, it was starting to get out of control, and honestly didn't even know if everything would fit in the drawers. That day we went to IKEA because I needed a proper setup. I've been adding more gear lately. Cameras, lenses, lights, and I don't really have a dedicated space for it, so yeah, it was time. I got the IKEA Bror workbench. And let's be real, I bought it because every camera YouTuber has it. I just followed the algorithm. So I thought, okay, if everyone uses it, there has to be a reason, right? The closest IKEA from Bergamo is Brescia Roncadelle. So it was around a 30 to 40 minutes drive. And of course, we went on Sunday, which meant packed. The mall was full, the parking was full, cars everywhere. At some point, I realized I really should have done this on a weekday, but we were already there, so yeah, we committed. Once inside, we went straight to IKEA. We walked around, looked at random stuff, filmed a bit, of course, and Hailey also got some things for herself. Then we went to get the Bror. I paid first, but since it has just been restocked and wasn't exposed yet, I had to wait in the pickup area. So yeah, more waiting. But eventually, they called my number and I finally got it. So humans, we just got the
What?
Items.
from IKEA. We're just going to unload it in the car and then go back to IKEA and try the Swedish meatballs. PewDiePie's meat.
Huh?
PewDiePie's balls.
Why are you gay?
We bought everything back in the car, unloaded it.
Oh, does it fit? Does it fit? Oh, it fits. Oh, bombo clap.
Perfect.
Girl.
And then we moved to the second mission of the day, IKEA food. I tried the Swedish meatballs for the first time. Well, kind of.
Hey humans, we're going to try this Swedish food. I never tried the IKEA food. Amen. Let's try it. Let's start with the meatball.
È come quello che si compra.
Più Ikea.
Sì. We got also pea and puree. Also got an arancino. Classic Italian arancino. And what is this?
Medaglione di verdure.
Medaglione di verdura.
It's vegetable.
My first time eating at IKEA. I already tried the meat from IKEA, the meatballs from IKEA, this one, but the one that you can buy inside the IKEA market and you cook it at home. It has the same flavor. It's good.
Overall, really good. And honestly, for the price, pretty solid. And obviously, we ended with the €1 ice cream cone just to get the full IKEA experience.
IKEA's ice cream.
After that, we went home and started building everything. Haley helped me first. Then later, my dad joined us. It took us around an hour, and honestly, it was pretty smooth. Okay, humans, we finished building the Bror cabinet. I have to clean up everything. I need to think where to put my dumbbells. This will go in the cantina. So bye-bye drums. While building it, I kept thinking, I really hope all my gear fits in this. And this is the final setup. I finally had a dedicated space just for my camera gear. In the top drawer, I put my main gear, cameras, lenses, and the drone, and some miscellaneous stuff for now. I used drawer padding and dividers from IKEA, the complement ones. I did a bit of DIY, cutting and shaping them to fit everything properly. In the second drawer, I put the smaller stuff, LED lights, filters, SD cards. In the third drawer, bigger items, tripods, light stands, magic arms, and in the bottom drawer, all my bags. On top of the workbench, I kept it simple. A Luffy Funko Pop, a Luffy plushie, and 2 remotes. I didn't think a workbench would make this big of a difference, but yeah, I finally feel organized. I now feel at peace, and everything actually fits. If you've come this far, maybe consider subscribing, and thank you for watching until the end. I'll see you on the next one.